Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turmeric, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you that may help you to incorporate turmeric into your meals maybe a little more often. First of all, when you're substituting fresh for dried turmeric or vice versa, the equivalents are this. 1 inch of fresh turmeric equals 1 tablespoon of freshly grated turmeric, which also equals 1 teaspoon of dried ground turmeric powder. So if you have that conversion rate and you need more or less, you can figure out the math along the way. Try adding a pinch of turmeric to scrambled eggs. That would be dried turmeric powder, would probably be your best bet there. The color will blend in and the flavor will be very subtle, and it'll add some good health properties to those eggs. How about tossing a little bit of powdered turmeric onto vegetables before you roast them? And that works especially well with cauliflower, potatoes, and root vegetables. Try adding a pinch of turmeric powder to rice. It'll give it some color and a little bit of flavor. Sprinkle a little powdered turmeric on sauteed or braised greens like kale, collard greens, and cabbage. Add a pinch of powdered turmeric to chicken or vegetable soup. Try a slice of fresh turmeric or a pinch of powdered in your fresh juices or smoothies. Fresh turmeric stains very easily and quickly, and if you've used fresh turmeric, you're probably familiar with this. To avoid getting the stains on your hands, wear kitchen gloves when you're working with it. That'll stop that one right there. If you get stains on the cutting board or your kitchen countertops, try a little soap and water as quickly as you can after the stain appears. You can also use some diluted bleach, some soft scrub, or a paste made with baking soda and water. But be sure to test those chemicals somewhere on an inconspicuous spot on your countertop, a very small place, just to make sure that they're not going to damage your countertop to begin with. How about adding a little bit of turmeric powder to egg salad to give it a deeper color? Try mixing some cooked brown rice with raisins, cashews, and a little turmeric, cumin, and coriander. To give salad dressings a yellow hue, add a pinch of turmeric powder. How about adding a little bit of powdered turmeric to macaroni and cheese? Now, if you're not used to adding turmeric to foods, use a small amount at first. The flavor is distinct and the color is very, very concentrated, and it may give a yellow color to your food. No harm there, but you may not be used to it. Too much and might make your food look somewhat muddy and give it a flavor that you don't want. So when you're not used to it, start with no more than like about 1/8 of a teaspoon in a dish to be sure. To make the nutrients and healthful components in turmeric more available to the body, include a little bit of black pepper with your food and a little bit of fat along with your turmeric. The piperine that's in black pepper makes the antioxidants in turmeric more usable by the body, and the fat also increases absorption because the components in turmeric are fat soluble. How about making golden pancakes? Just add about 1/2 teaspoon of powdered turmeric to dry pancake mix. This gives your pancakes a deep golden color. Add freshly grated turmeric to marinades for meat, fish, and poultry. How about adding grated fresh turmeric to your favorite stir fry? Well, I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.